All right, we're just going to wrap up here. So just a little more information. So this is just a really quick introduction into AFLOW. We have this is really part of a much larger series that we've developed. As much as we do half day, we do full day workshops. We can even do multi-day schools. We've run them before. So yeah, if there's a lot of interest in learning more about AFLOW, this is really mostly web stuff and data stuff, data analysis. If you're interested in understanding how the software works to create this data, I would suggest checking out one of our schools. We actually have them online if you're interested in following along. But otherwise, what we're going to ask is that if you like this series and you're interested in learning more, we have a survey that we're going to ask you guys to fill out. Shouldn't take more than 30 seconds to a minute. And on there, you'll offer your interest in having a multi-day school so that we can go through more of these examples. With that, I just want to throw up a slide. So this, like I said, we didn't touch AFLOW++ at all. None of the software was really gone through. You might have seen some of the command lines that you would run if it were installed, but it really offers full unabridged functionality. So if you install it on your workstation, on your cluster, you can run things in parallel. You can leverage, if you have the license, you can leverage VASP. It can be installed on any Unix machine, Linux, Mac, Windows as well. So there's some additional steps for Windows, but otherwise it totally works on Windows, and we have quite a bit of Windows users. We've created a script for installing it. You can find it here at the bottom, AFLOW.org/install AFLOW. And it should be fairly comprehensive. So that is essentially automated as well. So we had a quick announcement. I didn't see Dr. Ganti online, but if you're online, feel free to interrupt me. From some of our DOE ARPA-E collaborators, they're going to be putting out a request for information for high entropy alloys for nuclear fusion. So if you have interest in this direction, there's going to be an RFI that's going to be put out at the end of this month. I'm going to put up this is the information. If you want to get more details, feel free to reach out to either Dr. Ganti or Dr. Diallo. Their information is here. And otherwise, we're going to wrap up. So just some acknowledgements. I want to acknowledge collaborators at Duke, in particular, Professor Cudarello and Dr. Toer, who lead the Center for Autonomous Materials Design, Professor Rose, who developed the AFLOW search, Professor Mel, who created the encyclopedia prototype, who really started that initiative and continued it at Duke through AFLOW. Professors Esiev and Troksha at Carnegie Mellon and UNC Chapel Hill, who developed the PLNF model. Doctors Legrain, Carete, and Mingo for developing the MFD model, and Professors Takuchi and Steiner at University of Maryland for the superconductivity model. Of course, we want to thank Jaime Combarisa and Ellen Liabo, who represents ARCH and the Department of Material Science and Engineering, who organized this workshop, Sam Roberts and Leanne Fulton for the logistics. And with that, we conclude. I throw up a slide with some information. If you guys like this and you're thinking about doing a PhD, a postdoc, feel free to email us. We're both opening, both at Duke and at Hopkins. We have openings for postdoc and PhD. So if you like this stuff and you want to follow it forward, feel free to contact us. And I throw all of our contact information here. If you're interested in either more AFLOW or even interested in understanding more about how to go into industry, you can contact David, for example. So we have all of the information here. Yeah, with that, I conclude. I thank you for your time and looking forward to more conversations. Thank you.
Thank you.